Wait, what just happened?
They asked this one dude, they were like, where are you from? He said Korea. They put on Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style.
You're just walking backwards. What the fuck is that?
We gotta go. I fucking hyped her up. That bitch just fucking took 2 steps backwards. Called it a moonwalk. The fun walk.
Okay, so I'm in editing mode right now, and when I was filming that, I didn't see Alondra and Dark in the background. I'm gonna play that back, just pay attention, because it's fucking hilarious.
You're just walking backwards. What the fuck is that?
Bringing it back, let me get a strap, let me get your cash app. Bitch, I ain't paying for that. I'ma take it back, I'ma get it black, I'ma bring it blue and black like the fucking cop, right? Never mind that, let me get the act right. Hot girl summer, hot girl bomber.
Oh yeah.
Brings you in, brother?
What's up, brother? What brings you in today?
Huge. Yo, ladies, what's good?
Oh, ladies, what's good?
Huh?
It's not like White Claws, dude.
We only have medallions.
Sir, you can't take that.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You started 9/11.
Oh shit!
I wouldn't be.
Hello.
Yeah, our machine's broken.
Zippity doo dah.
I'll be right with you. Give me 1 second, please.
Alrighty, thank you so much.
Fucking stop it.
Yeah, go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
Alright, thank you. Just a quick question, yeah? What's the 2 for 2?
The 2 for 2?
Yeah, what's that?
I only have a 2 for 3, which is a McChicken McDouble.
Day. What's this 2 for 2 I see right here? Is that a 2?
Oh, that's the 2 apple pies for $2.
Woo! Let me get a, just give me a sec. Hey, Branson, what do you want?
Let me get a large Sprite, please.
Yeah, the man said, can I get a large Sprite, please?
Okay.
What about you, missus? What would you like? She wants another large Sprite, please, on the rocks. And, you guys want a 2 for 2?
I would love an apple pie, sir.
Yeah, you know what? Fuck it. Let's get a 2 for 2. You know, today's a good day. And, just for shits and giggles, let's make that a Diet Dr. Pepper, you know? Try to watch the figure. And, let's open and shut case. I think that's gonna be it. Everything on the order looks correct to Mundo. That'll be perfect for me.
$5.85.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, whoa.
You get the kiss.
I hit 2 solids and 1 stripe off the break. So if I want to challenge and I take the stripe.
Yeah. So if he wins with this,
I
he
win,
gets a
I get
kiss
a
from me and him at the same time. Bet?
Right there.
Deal?
Bet.
Alright.
Bet.
I love it. It's fun.
Bro, I really hope he wins. I think it's a big ass smooch.
Us. Each on each.
No,
each on
no, suck my. Fuck!
Fuck, you might win.
I'm gonna kiss your beard and everything.
Oh!
I'll take a picture of this.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
That was a passionate.
Day 1 under German occupation.